is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah. Sorry guys, I had to do that. Hey guys, welcome back to the motherfucking Chanel. How are you guys all doing today? If you couldn't tell from my little singing gig I just did for you guys, today I'm going to, why am I still using this? I'm just gonna keep it in. Today I'm going to be using the highly anticipated Patty Gel by none other than our girl Evie. And can I just take a second to say how excited I am to be reviewing this for you guys. I think I love this so much because Evie has literally like paved the way for all of us nail tubers and have really showed that it's possible to have like a little YouTube career and how your dreams come true if you work really hard and follow your passion and do what you love. Mixed with like a little bit of talent too, you can't forget that. But I'm just so proud of her, and I just think this is so cool to like literally watch her be living out her dreams and her goals, and it just inspires me so much to keep doing what I'm doing, to not give up, and that anything's possible if you, just like I said, work hard and stay consistent and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna put my microphone down. Today I'm reviewing the Patty Gel by Evie, aka Long Hair Pretty Nails, and if you guys want to chit chat, hear my honest review, what I've got to say about this, do a set of nails, then just keep watching. Mwah. Bye! Okay, so here is the Evie Polygel Kit. It is absolutely stunning. I love the hollow. It is so cute. If you flip it over, the directions are on the back of the box, and these are cruelty-free polygel products. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and in the box we get 3 polygel colors. They are 30 ml each, and you get so much product in this, like I was just blown away. We get So Cute, Sweet Life, and Amethyst, and like I said, the directions are on the back of each bottle as well. I did some swatching for you guys, and the colors are so beautiful. I think it's perfect for like her first launch, and you know, we don't get like a clear or like a white, which I'm so happy because most companies do that. Like their first launch is like white and clear. So I just loved it. Another thing I noticed too is that the caps were really neat. So when you close it, it like does a little click so you know that it's completely sealed shut, which is really cool. So I'm using full cover nails today, and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see the Lazy Girl method or polygel on top of tips, and polygel on top of tips won. So I'm going to be doing the A-press method today and putting the polygel on top of these tips just to like save me time with filing and building up the nail. These are full cover gel nails off AliExpress. I'll have them linked down below. And as you can see, I'm just filing all the cuticles to make sure that it fits my nail nice and snug so they don't look like press-on nails. I do this in every video, and I definitely recommend taking the extra time to do this step because you'll totally see a difference if you end up doing this. So before I put these on, I'm going to etch the inside of each full cover nail, and you just want to take a hand file, a cuticle bit, whatever, and just etch some scratches inside the nail. This is going to help them last longer, so when we go to apply them, the base coat gel is going to get in the little grooves and really secure onto our nails and help them not pop off. So yeah, I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I will show you guys next. I didn't do nail prep in this video because I already had it done, but I'm just going to show you what I would use for nail prep, and make sure you do this part so that your nails last long. So first you're going to want to start off with not buffing, but pushing back all the cuticles and then buffing the surface of your nail to remove all the shine. Next you want to use a good dehydrator and a primer. I'm using Mia's Secrets, and you want to let those fully dry before you go on to the next step. This step's optional, but I love using Beetle's nail strengthener. You're going to cure that, and then I go in with base coat on all the nails and cure that as well. So my nails are fully prepped, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the nails. So I'm using my Bella Vina little mini lamp and their 4-in-1 base coat gel because I love it. And then I'm also going to be using the Beetle's slip solution today. So I'm just going to start off by putting the 4-in-1 base coat in the nail and then turning my lamp on and applying them. So they're nice and straight. You can see all of the product flood nicely inside the nail, and then we're going to cure it. It's super easy. If you don't have a lamp like this, I definitely recommend it because it makes life so much easier. And during this video, I'm going to be talking about my thoughts and my opinions on this kit. I've seen a lot of people leave comments on other videos, and I just thought this would be a good time to address those comments and really dive into it and tell you guys my honest review and my opinion. So I'll get to that once I start applying the polygel, but I'm just going to get all these nails put on really quickly, and then after that, you can see it looks so good. And now we're just going to buff the surface because, like I said, we're going to go in with polygel on top of the nails, and this is just going to help the polygel stick nicely and that everything goes smoothly with this application. I will say I have been doing the Lazy Girl method for so long that I haven't done nails like this in a while, and it really was like a trial and error. I was like, oh my goodness, I haven't done nail polygel on tips for a couple months, and like, wow, people that do this regularly like deserve an award because this is not easy. The Lazy Girl method is just so much easier for me that I was like, dang, I need to do this more often because it's really good. So I'm using a brush today, just one that I had, and I'm gonna just start off with putting Sweet Life on the tip and then just smooth that out and try to do like an ombre effect. I did only use 2 colors today. Don't get mad because I know everyone's favorite color is amethyst, but I'm going to be doing a dedicated video just with that color because I have some really cute ideas in my head, and I really wanted to challenge myself today and try to do this ombre. And I thought like the glass tips would look really good with the pink on top of it, so that's what we're going to do. One thing I will say about this color in particular is it is super hard when you add like Mylar flakes or glitter or just anything that compromises the actual polygel. Like you can totally compromise the product, and Evie literally got this one down so good. Like I have used so many polygels that have Mylar flakes in it or like just glitter, like I said, whatever, and it totally changes the way the product works. And this was like a dream. Like it was so easy to maneuver and get around, and the slip solution that I used today worked really well with it, and I was just super happy with how it came out. So once again, congratulations, Evie, your formula kicks butt, and I'm just so excited to see what else you come out with in the future. So like I said, on all of the nails besides the middle finger, I'm going to do this ombre method, and then the middle finger, I just go in with the pink, which is so cute, and I just do a full nail like that. So a couple things I saw people say is they were upset that a file, a brush, and top coat and base coat didn't come in this, and I honestly can't say I'm upset at all because I think I understand like the reasoning behind it. Most of us that watch Evie and most of us that are going to buy this product are already in the polygel game, and one thing I was so happy about was how affordable this was. You get 3 polygels that are 30 ml each for $30. So if we break that down, each one of these tubes was $10. And like if you go on Macart website right now and go buy a single 30 ml tube, it's going to cost you $16.99. So just like the fact that this was only $10 for each tube, 30 total, like was just mind blowing to me. And I think it's so cool that she catered to like a lot of people that don't want to spend money on kits, or also that already have so many kits. Like we honestly don't need an extra base coat, top coat, file, brush. Like I literally have maybe 50 files lying around and like 50 brushes, and so many top and base coats I don't even use them. Like I just have so many, you know? So this launch she did isn't a whole kit, you know what I mean? Like I would say it's just a polygel set, because like why would she add a top coat, base coat, file, and a brush? And then this would be like $50 to $60, you know what I mean? And just that like price jump in itself would really hinder a lot of people, I think, to justify buying this. So I'm totally fine that she just did the polygels. You could get the brush on its own, which was another $10, but like I said, I had so many brushes that I didn't need it. So I was honestly really grateful that she didn't make it like a whole kit and that she just did the polygels. And maybe in the future, if she comes out with that stuff, cool. But base coats and top coats are literally like all the same on the market that, just I didn't really see it like being a necessity, and it doesn't bother me. People argue like, well, what if you got this as a gift for somebody? And my thing would be, if you got this for a gift for somebody, they probably are into polygel as it is, and they probably already have all of the stuff needed to do a set. You know what I mean? And if not, then hopefully they researched that and they were able to like buy a couple more things to like make it a full kit for a gift for somebody. But I'm pretty sure most people that bought this didn't buy it as a kit and bought it for themselves and are already into polygel, already have all this stuff. And I just really love the price point of it. And like I said, you can buy files and brushes on her site, but no top coat or base coat because, girl, all of us pretty much already have that. I saw some people also mentioning that this kit didn't come with a set of instructions, and the instructions are on the back of the box along with the back of the polygel tubes as well. And like I said, I feel like most people that are buying this already know how to do polygel, and it's like a waste of paper for her to like add instructions in when they're already on the tubes and the box. So that's pretty much all the things I saw people saying about it. Once again, this isn't like a kit, this is like a polygel set, and you usually will have everything that you need to do the set and make it work. So yeah. I'm also doing a giveaway in this video. I purchased 2 of the Patty Gel kits and I saw that she actually is sold out of it right now. She said that she's working really hard to get it back in stock, but I was like, hallelujah. Like, something was just telling me to buy a second one, and I thought it would be really fun to give one away to one of you guys. So the giveaway rules are going to be super easy. All you have to do is like this video, make sure you're subscribed, and also follow my Instagram page. I will have all the rules in the description box, and I'm going to have this go on for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from today, today's the 3rd, right? So on the 14th, is when I will announce the winner. And I will be checking to make sure that you guys follow the rules. But yeah, so just like this video, make sure you subscribe to me, follow my Instagram, and then just like comment something below, like tell me why you want this. And then I will get in touch with you on the comment page of this video. So yeah, I'm so excited to give this to one of you guys. It's really special, and I just was so happy to support Evie in this. And also, like, I was a little bit surprised when I saw the colors at first. I was like, oh, like, I don't know, I wasn't really expecting the colors, but I think they're so beautiful and like literally perfect for her first launch. And I just know, you guys, I just know she's going to be doing some really cool stuff with this line. And I'm just excited to be here and watch it. And she's pretty much the first one. Like, she's the biggest polygel channel, and she's the first one to like get her product out. And I also saw in her video, she's like, I've had a ton of companies like reach out to me and like want to put my name on kits and do collabs, and I just had to turn them away because I knew that I was already working on my own thing. And I was just like, go girl, like, you're so cool. I just love it. I know like a couple, I'm not going to mention names, but I know a couple like bigger creators have had some problems with some of the more like popular polygel companies. You can probably guess who, but just like being kind of shady and like not following their end of the bargain. And like us as influencers, we do a lot for these companies, and without us, like, they probably wouldn't be where they are today. You know, I'm not saying like me in particular, I'm just saying like the nail influencers in general. And so it kind of bums me out when I hear like some of my favorite companies being not so kind to some of my favorite nail tubers. So I was just like really inspired and like proud of her for like sticking to her gun and like, you know, just doing what she knew was going to be best for her and her family and all of it. So I'm all here for it. I'm going to be supporting her from here on out. These products speak for themselves, and I was just really, really impressed. They're not sticky. They are not even stiff. They just stay where you want them to stay. Like, it's really crazy. And so it might look sticky in some of this, but that's because I didn't have enough slip solution. So you'll see me go in with more slip, but they didn't flood my cuticles. They stayed where they were supposed to stay, and they're just really, really good products. Also, don't get mad at me. I didn't keep my filing in because it took forever, but I don't know if you guys could tell on my thumb. It was a little bit cloudy, and that's because it was the first one, the first finger that I did, and I got it down on the pointy finger and the rest of them. But yeah, it was just like a little bit cloudy. And I also saw that Evie said that when you use the glitter one, that you want to cap it with the clear polygel, because otherwise when you start to file it, it will noticeably like get the flakes out and stuff. And I actually didn't have that problem. I didn't cap these with clear polygel. I just filed it and they turned out really good. So I didn't have the problem with the flakes like coming out while filing. Just wanted to mention that. But as you can see here, I'm just putting top coat on all of the nails, and then I'm going to spice them up with some rhinestones and just like spice it up a little bit, make it look cute. But I thought these turned out really cute. I ended up being really proud of myself because I thought the footage was like gonna be terrible when I was first going through it. And then I always have to remember what Emily Susanna says: trust the process, just trust the process. And it turned out really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Shout out again to Evie. I'm sure she'll never watch this, but if she does, girl, I love you and I'm so proud of you. And I can't wait to see all the designs you guys do. Also, don't forget, like I said, I'm doing a giveaway in this video. So if you want to enter, then make sure to follow the rules, and that's pretty much it. You guys are awesome. The next video I have ready is going to be the stamping video, the Monology nail stamping. And then I'm going to go ahead and do another video using this with the Amethyst Polygel girl. So don't worry, I got you, Amethyst. I'm trying to see if anything else. I know I talk a lot. Don't be mad. I can't help it. But I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this polygel set. Let me know if you liked me doing on top of the tips, or sorry, that's my cat. Or if you like the lazy girl method better, or just a mix of both. Let your girl know. I like doing both. I just want to see what you guys say. Anyway, I'll let this finish out, but I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know also if you got this kit, and oh my goodness, my cat. Let me know if you got this kit and if you like it, what your thoughts are on it, and we're just going to do some cuticle oil and do a little couple cute shots, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Be safe, and thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye!